everyone! Today I have a matcha recipe for you that will help you improve your brain performance, burn more fat, and at the same time it will give you all-day energy. We're going to make a cup of Bulletproof Matcha green tea, which is a healthy alternative to bulletproof coffee. If you don't know what bulletproof coffee is, this is a healthy drink that can help you increase your brain performance and improve your cognitive function. A lot of SEOs and professional athletes love to drink this in the morning because it helps them to curb appetite, to stabilize their blood sugar level, and at the same time don't feel hungry when they're doing intermittent fasting combined with keto diet. So intermittent fasting, if you don't know, this is a prolonged period of time when people don't eat food. So for example, skipping breakfast. So if you drink bulletproof coffee in the morning, usually it can make you jittery or anxious later during the day. And at the same time, you might experience a caffeine crash later. So bulletproof matcha is a much healthier alternative to bulletproof coffee. You will at the same time get all the benefits of bulletproof coffee, but your energy is going to remain stable for all your day. So let me show you how we can make this bulletproof matcha in just 2 minutes. So let me show you how we can make a cup of bulletproof matcha green tea. So at first, let's start with our matcha green tea powder. I always recommend to take only organic matcha powders because they're much better for you. They're not going to cause you any anxiety and they're going to improve your brain performance. So we'll put like a teaspoon of matcha green tea in our bowl. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of water. It's boiled hot water, but it should not be steaming because let it sit for at least a few minutes. So now we're going to make a matcha paste. I'm going to use a milk frother, but sometimes if you don't have a milk frother, you can also do a traditional matcha, which is for this you're going to use a matcha whisk, a bamboo whisk, and you can also use a chawan, you can also use a traditional matcha bowl. So I'm just going to do it in a cup with a milk frother. I'm just going to do a matcha paste. I'm trying to make sure that my matcha is creamy and it doesn't have any balls of matcha and it's very consistent and green. Of course it should be green. It would be weird if it wasn't. Okay. So now our matcha paste is ready. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of grass-fed butter. Why we're using grass-fed butter? Because it should be organic. This butter has a lot of omega-3 fatty acids. It will curb your appetite, it will curb your cravings, and at the same time, it will give creamy consistency to our matcha. It will help you regulate your hormones and stabilize your metabolism. So I'm just going to add this to my matcha. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of MCT oils. Medium chain triglycerides are the fats that these oils contain that will help you curb your appetite. They will improve your brain performance and cognitive function. They will give you energy, but at the same time you will burn more fat and you won't lose muscles. So this is perfect for our bulletproof matcha. So I'm just going to add a teaspoon of this MCT oil into my bulletproof matcha. So once it's there, I'm going to mix all my ingredients together. So I'm going to whisk it with the milk frother, or you can use a regular bamboo whisk for this purpose. So once everything is there, I'm just going to add for flavor a drop of vanilla extract. So just a drop there. I know, guys, I add vanilla everywhere. So, and finally, I'm giving it the final whisk. And now I'm going to add the rest of the water, my boiled water. So it depends on your preferences. I love when my matcha is not super strong, but it's creamy at the same time. So this is it. Now we can give it a try. This is a really healthy and really creamy drink. And with oils, It's actually delicious because even if I don't add vanilla extract, it still tastes very creamy, and this is a soft drink which is like really pleasant to enjoy in the morning for breakfast. So I hope, guys, you will give it a try. Let me know in the comments below how it turned out, whether it helped you to improve your performance in the gym or whether it helped you to improve your performance at work. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!